Hello, hello, hello. My name is Ernest. I'm co-founder of theprofitroom.com. Make sure you share this with people. If you're watching on YouTube, send it to your friends as well as Facebook. Um, forward it, forward it, forward it. So I'm wait for a couple of people to join in and we can have this discussion. If you guys are new to the Profit Room, we're a stock market trading educational company that teach people how to trade and invest in all types of markets. Doesn't matter. Stock options, futures, forex, crypto. As a chart, we trade it. All right, all right. Good evening, good evening. Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm having a great evening. Hope you guys are having a great evening as well. All right, so we've been doing a series in the Profit Room based off of our new course called Stock Market Stimulus, talking about various aspects of trading and investing. And tonight's title is, what is the title? When is it the right age to start trading and investing? Is there an age where you're too young? All right, so I got a good story about this. It was a great story. So, um, at the Profit Room, we do have a live trading room, and the funny thing about it is that, of course, we go and we bump into a lot of people from all over the place. So I remember it was one summer, I think it was 2017, and we're trading throughout the summertime, day trading in the room, having a great time, sharing our wins and giving alerts and things of that nature. And it was a certain person in there, I forgot his name. Let's just call him John, for example. And John would say, okay, great trade, guys. I caught this trade. Or he would give his feedback on, what's on the watch list in the morning. Now we're day trading. We're day trading gaps, right? Now, if you know gaps, that means price action, prices that move high and things of that nature because of news and earnings. Regular typical day. But you get to start to know these people in the sense of who shows up on a regular basis, who maybe have a 9 to 5 that's just sneaking in there in between to trade. So throughout the whole summer, we're trading, we're having a great time. And John, we'll use him as the name. He tells Latoya and I, he's like, all right, guys, school is starting back up. I'm not gonna be able to trade every day. So, I'll see y'all a little bit later when I get a break. And, I messaged him on the back end and come to find out that he was in college, like, university started. He was a sophomore in high school, the 10th grade. I believe going into to be a junior in high school. Now we was like, what? Now, mind you, when you're trading in the United States, right? Depending on your U.S. broker, you need at least $25,000 to day trade. They have other foreign brokers as well, but the capacity of this young man, the terminology, the way he was following along, understanding the technical analysis, the orders, entries, and the risk management, it was like, man, who is his parents, right? Who is his parents? And that was like, that was mind blowing to us because the fact that he was in our room. Now we didn't teach him; he's just a part of our trading community, day trading with us every single day. That shows that somewhere in his ecosystem, his family, they invested in him early or allowed him to develop a skill in order to understand how to trade and invest. And that's amazing, right? For even a family, maybe they handed him over the cash to be able to do it, right? Because they believed in him. Because everybody has different backgrounds. Now we all can't afford to give our children that amount of money. There's other ways, options. There's also simulation, right? It could be fake money as well in the beginning. But the consistency of this young man every day during the summer, and this is not during the pandemic, this is like 2017, he was trading with us every single day. Like you said, now you get to know people. Those who are not trading room now, you get to know that. So I like to say, like, I want children still to be children, still to grow up and not have that pressure, you know. But It's just showing you it's never too young to learn. If you can put a concept together and understand and have structure and direction, you can learn how to trade and invest. The same thing with some of our older students we have. We have students that's come to us in their 70s. One of our oldest students were in their 80s, right? As long as your brain is functioning, as long as you allow yourself to comprehend and be led, you can learn anything. You can learn anything. And this is the power. A lot of our students say, I wish I would have learned younger. I wish I was somebody would have showed me how to do this younger, because I wouldn't have to go to XYZ or schools or degrees or things of that nature if you didn't want to. You had that choice to be independent and be able to create money out of the stock market. So I hope you guys enjoyed that story. I mean, it still blows me to this day, blows my mind. I don't know where the gentleman is at, but when he messaged on the back end, yeah, no, I'm still in high school. I appreciate you guys. Like, it was just such a eye opener to what can be possible if you actually learn, and get the skills needed. So we just wanted to mention more again about our program. This is our program called Stock Market Stimulus. I mean, you guys are seeing us live almost every day, and it's for a reason. We're trying to bring awareness to understanding the stock market. We called it Stock Market Stimulus because you want to be able to create your own stimulus out of the stock market. The government has been handing out money, which is great. That's benefiting people and their families. Um, and we created this course during the pandemic to help people out who couldn't probably afford yet our premium courses or our main course, the mastermind, in order to get their foot in the door to understand trading and investing in the stock market. And it's a great, solid course. We have a lot of student success stories. You've probably seen many of them on YouTube. If you haven't, check them out, because this course right here is very solid and it's going to get you all the information you need. Now, we always say this course is for a limited time, and that's why we're going live, because after was April 19th, this course, we're going to shut it down because we're only going to have a limited amount of people. This is for a limited price as well. You guys, you really want to jump on this, right? Don't wait to the last minute. We did a pre-launch, and a lot of people emailed to say, oh, do you have the pre-launch price? We don't have it anymore. So after this price, it's not going to be here anymore. We also have a live training, which is going to be May 2nd. Now, our live trainings are great. We're not going to hold back. We're going to go in a lot of detail to show you guys how to really benefit from the technical aspect of trading and investing as well. All right, so the site is stockmarketstimulus.com, stockmarketstimulus.com, and you could benefit from this. Share it with your people. Great for novice traders or people just starting out. People who really want to get a solid education about trading and investing. No fluff or anything of that nature. We have live trading examples and really a really solid course, especially for those of all ages. All right. Just want to come over here to just say what's up again, give you a little highlight. Really enjoy telling this story because you may find yourself and people, maybe your young ones may want to get involved with trading and investing in the future. We also have a lot coming up with our financial literacy club. Look out for that as well. So we'll see you back on here live tomorrow on YouTube and Facebook. So like we said, the Profit Room, as always, get educated and trade safe. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Have a great night.